Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Anki app with the Quizlet, with the Memrise, and also with the Brainscape. So what are the differences? Now the Anki is a powerful space repetition algorithm for long-term memory retention, fully customizable deck cards and add-ons, large open source community and free to use on desktop, great for serious learners, let's say medical language exams. But the cons, it's kind of like the steep learning curve for the beginners, outdated interface comparing to competitors, so that's something that you have to be aware of. Is that it's still good, but it's like it's a really like fast application, and you don't have built-in gamification or let's say social features for it. Now, on the Quizlet, on the other hand, it's very user-friendly. The interface is nice. You have a huge library of pre-made flashcards, multiple learning models, strong for quick revision and social and casual learners, cloud-based with good sharing features. Now, the cons is freemium model, some features behind subscription, so that's something that you have to be aware of. Less control over customization, space repetition is only paid plan, and can be distracting due to gamified features. Now, with the Memrise, focuses on language learning with real-life videos from native speakers, so that's great. Also, a gamified approach makes learning engagement. Courses designed by both the community and experts, strong on vocabulary acquisition and pronunciation, mobile-friendly and visually appealing, but the cons, best mainly for languages, no general study topics, limited depth for advanced learners, heavily subscription based and less flexible for custom content comparing to Anki or Quizlet. And the Brainscape uses confidence-based repetition for personal pacing, clean and professional interface, good balance between structure and customization, strong analytics on study progress, and works well for academic and professional learners. The cons is that it's smaller content library comparing to Quizlet, requires subscription for full features, less gamification, might feel dry for casual learners, and mobile app sometimes is less smooth than the web version. So that's also something that you need to be aware of. So like go with Anki for serious learning. Quizlet is for casual learning, but it's like really good, and the UI is one of the best in my opinion. Then the Memrise is also for language learners, and Brainscape for learners wanting structure repetition with progress tracking. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.